is God unlimited in his power?
Yes.
So if he's limited, he's no longer God.
Can your flesh manifest his full potential power?
Like, I believe God is fully powerful everywhere, wherever he may be. He always knows everything. He never not knows anything.
Yes, but he's
Okay?
in flesh now.
So,
It means
so,
he's limited.
so he's no longer
restricted
God.
to time. He's restricted to time.
Okay? Can God be restricted to time?
He can if he's on the earth. He can.
Okay, can God be not all-knowing?
He knows everything.
Okay, God always knows everything.
Yes.
And Jesus didn't know the hour.
No.
So
Before he
Jesus
didn't know.
was not God then.
No.
Come on, bro. You're caught in your own paradigm.
I gave you the Acts 1:7.
You did not. Acts 1:7 does not say Jesus saying, I know the hour.
Jesus did not
Okay,
include
listen,
him in
listen,
there, right?
listen. He just says it's not for you guys to be worried about when is the seasons and the hour. God's authority, Father only has authority,
But in
not
Acts,
Jesus.
he includes himself. But in Acts, he did not include himself.
Even if he does not include himself, it does not mean that he knows. He didn't include the angels either. Does that mean the angels know? You're caught right there. He didn't include the angels either. Does that mean the angels know?
Or the angels knowing it. He said.
All right. Thank you. Done. Allahu Akbar.